So they can help you. And if you find it difficult in that way also, my office, my phone to buy some products from the handicraft artisans. Please help them to remain motivated, that encourage them to continue their Mairang movie of Viksit Bharat. So
Baru hadir peladap ketika workshop pensa la babani nanti lepat ke jingtip bat ke jingmut ban nang kentiu susu ya ka kam ke jompi ban ai kublai ban kitpok kitrang lu ya ka office jogi DC and
A very good afternoon to all of us here gathered. Kumbaga la kren mentan na kapatid ngadang I kublay yakane ka office jong DC handicraft bakijit yaka district jongi manpanlong yakane ka training lane kane ka workshop to ka chakita ma jong kajaka kabak ting yaki to ki bakpet ekidu
MEGHALAYA Industrial Development Corporation to grasp, to acquire a good presentation which will be presented in the second session. So I request each and every one of the artisans present here to take full advantage of this seminar, because such kind of seminar doesn't come each and every time. When you don't get the chances, facilities we have from the government of India, we can give you.
Really felt much needed. I myself was not aware much of what was here, what are the various schemes and services that was offered to the citizens. I had a brief sitting with Madam